If you're into the latest tech updates, smartwatches, and next-gen wearable innovations, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, along with One UI Watch 8, all of which have just leaked, revealing Samsung's bold new design language, software features, and strategic changes for their 2025 wearable lineup. Samsung is making headlines again as they prepare to launch their next-generation smartwatches, and we've now gotten our first official look at the Galaxy Watch 8, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and the One UI Watch 8 interface. These details are based on leaked firmware data, and they give us a very real sense of where Samsung is heading with their future smartwatch strategy. So grab your coffee or protein shake. This is going to be a packed breakdown. Samsung is officially reviving the Classic model for 2025, marking the return of its rotating bezel fan favorite. But don't get too nostalgic. This time, the design is nothing like the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Samsung seems to be unifying the design language across the entire Galaxy Watch series, borrowing heavily from the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The standout change? Both the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic now adopt a squircle design, a squarish frame with a round display in the middle. This isn't some sketchy concept art. These images are pulled directly from Samsung's own One UI Watch 8 firmware code, making them as real as it gets. While the Watch Ultra's unique design grew on many fans, transforming from odd to premium and futuristic. Applying that same approach to the entire Galaxy Watch lineup is a bold move that may not resonate with everyone. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic isn't just getting a visual makeover, it's also receiving some functional upgrades. Perhaps the most controversial part is how chunky the watch appears in early renders, and this could be due to its mechanical rotating bezel, a signature feature that many Classic fans still adore. Interestingly, Samsung appears to have added 3 physical buttons to the Watch 8 Classic, much like the Ultra, though the Classic avoids the bright orange accent on the new Quick Action button. The layout gives off a rugged, sporty vibe, one that caters to adventurers and outdoor users. Meanwhile, the regular Galaxy Watch 8 sticks to a simpler 2-button setup, offering a more minimalist aesthetic for casual users, or those upgrading from the Watch 6 or Watch 5. On the software side, Samsung is rolling out the brand new One UI Watch 8, and it's a significant upgrade. This update isn't just a minor patch. It completely reimagines the user interface and introduces several new health tracking features, layout changes, and smarter interactions. Let's start with one of the most talked about changes, the introduction of the Now Bar and Now Brief. These features borrow inspiration from Galaxy smartphones, transforming your watch into a context-aware shortcut hub. Imagine being able to access directions, weather updates, music playback, health stats, and sports scores, all dynamically served based on your location and activity. And yes, this can be triggered using a double pinching gesture, part of Samsung's ongoing accessibility improvements. Samsung also updated the charging animation in One UI Watch 8. Instead of the classic round graphic that perfectly suited the circular display, we now get a pill-shaped animation more in line with their smartphone UI. While it adds a sense of continuity across devices, many early users are noting that it feels off on a round screen. This theme of tablet-like UI on circular displays is present throughout One UI Watch 8, particularly with the newly redesigned tiles. Tiles are central to the Galaxy Watch user experience, and in One UI Watch 8, they've been restructured into pill-style tiles. Visually, they're colorful, clean, and full of useful information, ranging from health stats and step counters to alarms and media playback controls. But here's the catch. On a circular display, these rectangular pill-style tiles feel misaligned with the overall aesthetic. You'll notice 2 types. Full-width tiles that dominate the display, half-width tiles that can potentially be stacked together. While stacking tiles could reduce excess swiping and improve navigation, the mismatched design may break immersion for watch. Longtime users used to a more cohesive, circular interface. Samsung might still be refining these elements, so it's possible these tile designs are just placeholders until launch. But if not, expect mixed reactions. In terms of health and wellness, Samsung is doubling down. One of the more surprising additions is a new antioxidant index tile, designed to give you nutrition and dietary suggestions based on your health data. It's unclear how accurate or science-backed this feature is, but it shows that Samsung is continuing to expand its bioactive sensor capabilities beyond just heart rate and SpO2. Expect enhanced sleep tracking, stress monitoring, recovery insights, and body composition analysis to remain central pillars, especially with competition heating up from Garmin, Fitbit, and Apple. Another big reveal from the firmware leak is that there won't be a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 this year. Samsung is placing all their bets on the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic, possibly to give the Ultra a longer product cycle or prepare for a major redesign down the road. This also simplifies the lineup for 2025, reducing consumer confusion, while giving fans of both rugged and traditional styles something to look forward to. Samsung is clearly pushing for deeper integration between your watch and your Galaxy ecosystem. Expect faster pairing, smarter Samsung Health syncing, and easier access to SmartThings controls, Galaxy Buds volume adjustment, and even Galaxy AI features like Bixby voice commands and Galaxy Search. You'll also see minor updates to built-in apps like Media Controller, now with better playback buttons, alarm, and stopwatch, more intuitive with revamped Tile UI calendar and weather, enhanced with richer data and glanceable insights. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the launch date, all signs point to a late August 2025 release, likely announced at the next Galaxy Unpacked event alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Pricing is expected to remain consistent with the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup. Galaxy Watch 8, starting around $299 USD. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, likely around $399 USD. Both models should be compatible with Android devices running Android 11 or higher, though iOS support remains limited or potentially unavailable. Final thoughts with the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Samsung is taking a leap, a design overhaul, a fresh UI, new health tools, and tighter integration with their Galaxy ecosystem. Whether this will win over legacy fans remains to be seen,